Hello everybody, I'm Brighton Lieu and I'm one of the collections assistants here at RBS. Today I'll be unpacking part of the Guanhailou collection. The Guanhailou collection is a collection of East Asian rare materials gifted to RBS by Soren Edgren and Xiao Wei. Let's get straight to it. You notice that these books are bound in a traditional Chinese style called hantou. The hantou style is characterized by its blue cloth boards being wrapped around four sides of one or multiple volumes of a Chinese bound book. And you'll notice that as I'm unpacking these, that some of them use more decorative textiles. You'll also notice that I'm stacking these in a horizontal manner because unlike Western books, it's better for the binding of the Chinese books if we store them horizontally as opposed to vertically. And you'll also notice that every single volume I've unpacked this far has had these bone clasps on them, but which is also characteristic of this hantou style. But not all Chinese books are bound in the same style, with some being bound between two wooden oil-free boards and then tied together with linen ties. And we also have other cases, more older scroll-bound books, which like this is a modern facsimile of the Diamond Sutra, one of the world's oldest printed books. Works like these are used by RBS faculty to demonstrate to students the rich and storied history of the Chinese book.